Hey Jonathan, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire Digital Marketing. Just wanted to send you a quick video showing you just some things that I found looking at your site, some of your competition and such, and just kind of what you need to do from the search side of your website. And then we'll also look at just some things that you can do just Google Ads and such. I know you guys have done that before. Just looking at your site, I know you guys said you just rebuilt it. The things that I'm looking for is number one, content. Does the content match what keywords are being searched for to find you? So that's king. Minimum content on your homepage needs to be 1,500 words. Additionally, we've got to do some blog posts and the other things to get some additional content on there just to strengthen your site. But also, really, your homepage needs to tell the story of what you guys are doing, and it needs to include those keywords in there. When I look at your site, compared to some of your competitors, there's some just things that look a whole lot more just attractive. So if I'm looking at outfield, I'm seeing that they've got this league play gamification, and just their site just looks a little bit sexier than what you guys got going on from just a graphic standpoint. Now, content-wise, they got a little bit of content, not enough. But you can start to see just what some of their, I don't know what your interface looks like at all, but theirs looks pretty slick from just a gameplay standpoint. If I look at ambition, theirs looks, they've just got a lot of content on their site, explaining it just a little bit more about their system, but they're not, they're ranking based on a lot from the strength of their whole site. And then I looked up Spinify. You can see just they've got a lot of movement graphics going on color-wise. I don't really agree with their color scheme, but it's definitely just a little bit more attractive, I think, than what you guys got going on. And this is a lot of movement, kind of explaining more of like, what does this thing do? How does this work? They've got some video integrated, which I know you guys have a video there as well. So that's just kind of an overview. But one, content is king. The second thing is your backlinks, and looking at making sure that you have a strong backlink profile. Your site does have a fairly strong backlink profile right now, but it's also lacking in just being found for the right keywords. So if I look at Google and I put in gamification of sales to see what pops up, you can see that a lot of people are running ads on Google trying to get their product promoted. That can get pretty expensive. Not saying that you don't do that. I say that is something that you need to look at doing. And then also I see a lot of just sort of software, guest posting and reviews and such on a lot of sites that we would need to really try to get onto with your software. So that's another thing to just look at. Looking at the overall strength of your site, I mean, from a just balanced strength side, you've got a lot of backlinks. You've got some decent referring domains. You need to outrank your competitors. A lot of your competitors are a whole lot stronger than this, but you guys have a decent start. Your site's been around for a while. That looks good in Google's eyes. You're just not being found for the right keywords. I mean, you've got 12 keywords that are being found, and you can see that it's a lot of just buzz, team scoreboard, buzz log, and scoreboard sign. So none of this is like picking up the gamification thing is what you guys need to pick up. Looking at outfields, so they've done a really good job of picking up keywords. So sales gamification software, it gets searched 80 times a month, pretty difficult. Sales gamification, 200 times a month, still difficult. I mean, this is like a year's worth of time to outrank, beat those guys doing the right thing. Sales leaderboard app 30, gamification sales 150. So there's some decent volume here for you guys. Like there's people searching for this. Some of it is pretty difficult. I mean, 30 on the keyword difficulty. I mean, that's multiple years to really outrank those guys. At the same time, like you got to do it. You got to try to get the low hanging fruit first, get some sales, and then just keep pushing on the others. Looking at just their overall, this is their back page of their sales gamification. So the back page is not really strong, but their overall site, has a little bit of strength. If I look at They've got 1,800 backlinks and 356 referring domains. These guys aren't ranking. I mean, they're still ranking down there fairly low for these keywords. So, they're not doing too good on their backlink profile. But we still got to beat them. Looking at Spinify, of course, you see the site's a whole lot stronger. 3,100 backlinks. I don't really care about how many backlinks they have. If they're strong, they've got a really good profile of history of just continuing to do work on their backlink profile, and they've got a lot of keywords that they're getting ranked for. Now, this is for their whole site. I know it's not exactly you're not competing against their whole site. You're just competing against the game side, but we've got to look at that and drill down into it and see what those keywords are. That's just figuring out exactly what people are searching for your software. Looking at ambition, let's see if I pulled them. Yeah, so again, strong website. Not many keywords for this sales gamification side, and a lot of the search that I found for that was, a lot of blogs and reviews sites coming up. So those things are hitting, really well, and to rank up there above those guys, it's going to take a little bit of work. But that's what we've got to do to push past that. Running Google Ads is going to, it's the whole thing about how much money do I want to throw at this thing to beat, and get near the top on the ad side of things while my SEO is working as well. Just looking at some of your, your channel on YouTube, it looks like you've got 3 videos. These were done 7 years ago. The videos are honestly, actually, a couple of them I watched were pretty good. It's just from telling the story. I don't know if you've updated anything, but the story that gets told in the video, I think, is a good message. Is the interface the same? Have you guys upgraded the graphics and user interface? I'm not sure yet, but that's what I'm seeing from just the SEO side of things. It's content first, getting the right backlinks, getting the right keywords on your page, getting found for that, and then getting your name, address, and phone number on as many online directories as possible is the next thing that we have to do, just to strengthen your business name and your business listing. So those 3 things work together to push you up in the search rankings. You've got a lot of heavy lifting to do, to beat some of those guys that are out there. But I'd love to talk to you more about that. We do Google Ads. We run Facebook campaigns as well. So it's just taking what is the right approach that you want to take and trying to go after it. But content is key, and I think there is something to being able to graphically tell the story a little bit better on your site, and then just make it a little bit more attractive for people when they land on there. I'd love to talk to you more about your business, what you guys are specifically looking to do, if you're trying to target specific. I know you mentioned, State Farm and Allstate agents. I'd like to talk to you about how you've done that in the past, what you're looking to do in the future, and just kind of where you guys want to go. You can reach me back at 479-326-7899. I'd love to talk to you further. Thanks.